the first blue sky in like a week and a half. Need to do some washing.
This weekend, I spent some time alone in the city. Hasong and I didn't get to see much of each other, so I ended up going to the Sydney Writers' Festival all by myself. And being alone reminded me of something important. You don't need to wait for someone else to join you in order to do the things you want to do. Sometimes, doing things on your own is where the real magic happens. You get to move at your own pace, follow your own curiosity, and try new things without the influence or opinions of others. You might discover something you truly love, or something you truly never want to do again. And that's okay, because it's your experience. Spending time alone can also create space to look inward, to breathe, and to realize that your own company can be more than enough. And often, when you're out in the world, simply doing what you love, unexpected things can happen. You might meet someone, stumble into a new opportunity, or find a moment that stays with you for a long time. So if there's something you've been waiting to do, maybe take that step, even if it's just you. You don't have to wait to live your life. 배고파? 배고파?
Happy Sunday! I am home alone again. This is my role in life. Hasong is at work. And today I took Hasong to work. I went climbing, went for a run, and then went to the sauna. And now I'm home and I'm going to Sydney Writers' Festival today. So I'm going to eat some food. I finished eating pretty early yesterday, so I would say it's probably a 24-hour fast-ish. Yeah, so I am going to eat now because I'll be out all day. I'm not sure if I'll eat later this afternoon because it won't be in my eating window, but I don't. But anyways, let's eat some food.
요즘 우리는 항상 휴대폰을 보고 이어폰을 끼고 살아가요. 주변에 사람이 많아도 마음은 닫혀 있을 때가 많죠. 가끔은 내 모든 걸 내려놓고 세상과 연결될 시간이 필요해요. 호자라고 해서 하지 말아야 할 이유는 없어. 그냥 당신이 하고 싶은 걸 해보세요.
How good does that look? You can't even see the chickpeas underneath, but I have to say I'm super lucky with my food because Hasong at the moment is on a cooking spree and he is meal prepping food every week. So the chickpeas that I've just put in, he made 3. I don't know what the capacity of those containers is, but for my serving size that I have in a meal, it's 5 or 6 serves. Hasong can probably eat half of it. He's obviously doing the sauerkraut. He's been doing that for years. Hasong's bringing home poached eggs. He's making what's it called? Purees. He's making desserts. He's going to make bone broth today. He's fermented chili. There's fermented chili that I'm going to have to try. But I'm going to eat this food because it's so yummy. I'm excited. I have to share what just happened. I did a silly thing and heated up my poached eggs. Yes. Also, all over my back. Also, I do know that happens, and the song's told me about it, and I've watched videos, but it's just never happened to me. And I also just didn't think about it. And now it's gonna take me like 20 minutes to clean this up. That's fine.
사랑에 빠지는 건 바보 같다고 그렇게 난 믿었었는데 유일한 사랑은 너 하나란 걸 나는 확신해 You're all I need 바보 같다면 의심의 여지가 없는 거잖아 You're all I need 작은 향기까지 다 나를 간지럽히네
Hello. Hello, where are you? I see your empty bowl hiding. Where are you? Oh. 어떡해. So cute. Nori. Oh, sorry.
Hello
Hello.
안녕하세요 여러분 Good evening
오랜만이에요. We're back together again.
Finally
But I went to see Hasong at work today. You guys would have seen with the shot of Singolo. I went in and I said hello.
Very busy today
Oh my gosh. I said hello to Hasong's coworker.
Busy
Was so busy. I actually haven't seen Singolo that busy. But so it was like a quick hello. And Hasong said, oh, you're wearing my jacket. And then I said, oh, look at my pants. My pants. Hasong's pants as well. We have barely spent any time together this weekend. I mean, we sat together in silence while watching the speech for an hour. And then today, I drove Hasong to work actually, which was nice. And then just come home now and it's, what's the time? 6:30. So,
Not too bad
yeah, it's not too bad. But imagine if we didn't live together. We never see each other.
So today I finished my work at 5 o'clock
5 o'clock?
No, I finished my work at 3 o'clock At that moment I hadn't eaten anything I was feeling a bit hungry but that was my energy, that was my power and I went inside home. I saw the roof ceiling was egg everywhere.
But the rest of the kitchen was so clean, right?
Oh yes
I cleaned
everything. Everything was clean
so that you wouldn't feel terrible.
so I was doing shoulder workout, cleaning roof ceiling. It took me a while, so it was good. It was okay. And I had some of Veronica's banana bread, which is really, really amazing. And I ordered something this morning from Amazon.
Oh, yep.
I ordered this morning,
This morning.
and it came like at 2 o'clock at home.
Wow. So quick.
Can you believe? So fermentation glass.
Ooh. Wait, that's all that's in there for that huge bag?
Look at this beautiful. Wow.
It's very pretty.
It's a bit small. Actually.
Is it heavy?
I mean, I guess it's heavy enough.
Can I feel?
It's just scratching the bone.
Ate this huge meal And oh my goodness, did I end up with a serious digestive